B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, or we also say A umlaut, Ö or O umlaut, Ü or U umlaut, and this one here is SZ. So I will read the words again so you hear what the letter sounds like. Die Antwort, der Bär, der Clown, das Dach, das Essen, der Ferkel, das Glück, der Hunger, der Igel, der Juni, die Kugel, die Liebe, das Meer, die Nase, der Opa, die Party, die Qualität, der Rauch, das Sofa, das Tier, das Ufer, der Vogel, das Wort, das Xylophon, die Yacht, das Zebra, der Ärger, das Öl, die Übung, der Fuß. Okay, so that was the German alphabet. You can listen or watch this video maybe a few times and learning the letters. Because I have quite a few students who are advanced students already, but they still cannot spell words, for example, or they don't know how the letters are called in German. So please do it right from the beginning, and then you have that covered.